beaten up by the world.
Slowly, it's hot.
And figures out adultery. Like success. Yun yung parang wish ko. But I can only do the same thing for so long. I had to keep changing. Pero, kahit hindi ko alam kung escape na.
Saya ka naman.
I feel valued. Alam mo yung
Yeah.
bigla na lang ang dami nagpapakisa'yo. Alam ko medyo mababaw siyang pakinggan. Pero hindi talaga ako makapaniwala noon. Nag-1,000 subscribers ako. Imagine, each one of them is a real life person. Ako yung sinunod nila.